Best AI-powered investing software. From the past to present, business is the core domain of human society and has always been prioritized in development. Nowadays, when technology and AI applications become the main force to promote social progress, business is also the industry in that AI first came to use. Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is an AI-powered software that provides a trading platform that helps its users capture the latest trending stock and gives recommendations on investing. The software is very friendly for beginners who only started investing. With all the help provided by Trade Ideas, including detailed charts, simulated trading, real-time alerts, stock news, and entry and exit suggestions, users can find the best data-driven solutions for their investment. TrendSpider. If you are seeking software that can automatically generate investing strategies, TrendSpider will be a perfect choice. Empowered by AI and technical analysis, TrendSpider develops a trading platform that shows a clear picture of the investment market with various charts. Moreover, the software not only allows its users to automate investing strategies, but also lets them conduct strategy tests without limitations. Zignally. Based on the AI application, Zignally built an open trade platform for cryptocurrencies. The platform is simple to use and straightforward with data presentation. Thus, it is very friendly for beginners who do not have that much knowledge about cryptocurrencies and investing. The trading bot supported by the software can take care of most issues of investors. And it helps investors to save more time and focus on the bigger picture and the most worthwhile investing opportunity. Q4. Unlike the above three investing software, Q4 does not directly seek the maximum profit and return on investment. Instead, it aims to manage the multi-party relationship in investment among investors, companies, and investment banks. Q4 develops a better investor relation platform for its users. Empowered by AI and advanced market intelligence tools, the platform optimizes customer relationship management and streamlines the entire workflow of investor relations.